Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Peg. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a quick everyday makeup that you can do every day if you wear makeup every day. So I don't, but if I would, this is what I would do. So this is gonna be quick, so I'm gonna go like right now. Alright, so first of all, I'm just gonna start with a primer. This is from e.l.f. It's their mineral infused face primer. Then I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows with this Anastasia pomade and a spoolie brush that has a flat top like that. So eyebrows is very important. Even though it's a quick makeup, your eyebrows have to be on fleek. Then I'm just gonna clean around it like very quickly with this LA Girl concealer. If you don't have this concealer, like you're missing on something. This is the best concealer and it's so cheap. Get it, go get it, seriously. Alright, so I'm not gonna do anything on my eyes, so I'm gonna go straight to my face. So I'm gonna use my foundation. This is from Maybelline, a really cheap foundation, but I really like. And I'm gonna blend it with this e.l.f. brush. So I'm using a lot of drugstore products. So this powder brush, but it works so good for liquid foundation. So this is what I'm gonna use for today. Since I'm not using any eyeshadow, I'm just gonna use the leftover foundation that I have on my brush, and I'm gonna apply it on my eyelids just to hide the darkness on my eyelids. So I'm just gonna go lightly like that. Then I'm gonna go back to my LA Girl concealer, highlight under my eyes, and to blend it out, I'm gonna use a beauty blender, a wet beauty blender. Mine is dirty. Don't do that, use a clean one, but I'm lazy like that, so I'm gonna use a dirty one. So I'm just gonna blend it. And then I'm just gonna use a powder, so I'm not baking or anything where I highlight it. I'm just gonna use one powder for all my face. And I'm also gonna apply that on my eyelid since I put a foundation a little bit before and I don't want it to crease. Then to bring just a little bit more definition, I'm gonna use some powder contour, no cream contour. We have no time to blend it, we have to go fast, like we're gonna miss the bus. So I'm gonna go straight and use a powder contour. So I'm not gonna use blush, but I'm still gonna use a little bit of highlight just for a little glow. Then I'm gonna use mascara. So last step, the lips. I'm just gonna use a brown lip pencil from NYX, and I'm gonna line around my lips. And then I'm gonna use a liquid lipstick from NYX again. So I prefer a liquid lipstick because you don't have to apply it as often. So this is good. And that's it for the everyday makeup look. So what you think about it? So yeah, as I said, I don't do my makeup every day, but if I would, this is what I would do. Simple, classic, and quick, good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, guys. So don't forget to like, to share with all your friends. So yeah, thank you. Bye.